main channel. I know I have not spoken to you guys in literally forever. So much is happening. If you guys have no idea, I moved. And today, if you obviously read the title, this is going to be my empty apartment tour. So stay tuned if you guys want to see my walk-in closet, the Viking appliances. If you guys want to see the goods, stick around. Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see on this channel. I definitely need to do like a life update because my life has changed tremendously. I feel like I've just been like moving around, but officially moved now, and there's gonna be a ton of moving vlogs, and I'm vlogging the entire moving process over on my vlog channel. That'll be linked down below, so if you guys wanna check that out, check it out. All right, so this is my kitchen. I'm literally obsessed. I think the kitchen is definitely the main reason, or one of the main reasons why I fell in love with this place is because of the marble countertops. It's literally so aesthetically pleasing, and also the lighting in this apartment is amazing. I have absolutely no lights turned on, just one window open, and it's insane. So I have a sink here, and then I have another sink here, which is really cool. And I love how big the fridge is. I cannot wait to do like a fridge organization video because that will be coming soon. So stay tuned. Yeah, I'm really excited about that. And then obviously I have a dishwasher, little like garbage thing over there as well. So yeah, it's really cute. And then over here I have my microwave, which is probably the way I will be cooking most of my meals because we all know Teala does not know how to cook. But I'm gonna try to like change that and do like cook with me's and stuff like that. But for now I probably will be heating up easy mac and cheese right here. And then this is my stove, obviously. Hopefully I've been making a lot of like buttered noodles and stuff. I've been watching Trisha Paytas, she always makes her buttered noodles. I have so much cabinet space up here too, so I can't wait to put all my wine glasses, my coffee mugs, my bowls, which is really exciting. And I love how it has so many different outlets, so I can plug in my Google Home, I can plug in my blender, everything. My air fryer, oh my God, I'm gonna be living off my air fryer. And then this is my living room, obviously. I can't wait to get a really nice aesthetically pleasing couch. And then obviously I'm gonna have my TV there, and I love the view, really cute. Again, this apartment gets really nice lighting, and this is down obviously, but when these are up, it's incredible. So now I'm gonna show you guys the powder room, as we like to call it, or the guest bathroom, I guess. I also love how all my doors are really modern and cute. We love to see it. So this is the guest powder room, which is really cute. Toilet, everything about this apartment is completely brand new. I'm the first person to be living in it, which is really, really exciting. So I don't have to worry about no ghosts. I don't have to stage the place. It's just me, which is really exciting. But yeah, another thing that I love about this bathroom is the lighting. All of the bathrooms in this place have like built-in lights, which is perfect for filming, which is really nice. So it's like they knew. It's like they knew. But yeah, so that's that. And then over here I have my washer and dryer. And this is also brand new, which is really, really nice. We love to see it. I will be washing all of my clothes. Stay clean. And this is my guest room. Or also it's gonna be like my office and where I do all my self-tapes and maybe where I record. I have a lot of secrets, guys, and a lot of stuff is just gonna be dropping, so I hope you're picking up what I'm putting down, but I'm gonna be doing a lot of recording in here. Lots of talking about topics with maybe a best friend. Who knows? Am I hinting to something that's coming up soon? Maybe I am, I don't know. Anyways, so this is probably where I'm gonna put like my desk, where I do my Zoom calls and stuff, and then I'm also gonna have a bed in here as well, just because this is the guest room, and in case my family wants to stay or whatever, I just think it's nice to always just have that option. And then here is a closet here. It actually has a great amount of space, and on the other side as well, so I can put like ring lights and stuff like that in there. And then let me show you guys the walk-in closet, which is amazing because we all know I have way too many clothes. So this is the walk-in closet, which is pretty big for a guest room, I would say. And I love how everything is built in. This place to me is just so aesthetic. Like I can't wait to make this apartment look very Pinteresty. I'm just obsessed, but everything's built in, which is amazing. And again, everything is new. The amount of times I've said everything is so annoying. I'm sorry guys, I don't know how to explain things, but that is that. And now I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. Again, every bathroom has this incredible lighting, so I can't wait to just take selfies. My Instagram is just gonna be me in the bathroom, honestly, at this point. And then I have a bathtub, which is really nice, and obviously you can take a shower if you want to as well. But I'm definitely gonna be taking some nice bathtubs in here. Also, this is super deep, so hopefully I don't drown, because we all know I can't swim, so that's a mess. The moment you've all been waiting for, my room. So now, welcome to my room. When you first walk in, little side note, every single room has dimmers, light dimmers, which is so the future. So you don't have to just like turn on a light, you can go up. You can set the mood, you know, if you want to. Also, I love this built-in shelving. I don't know if I'm gonna put handbags in here, if I wanna put shoes in here. I don't really know yet, but I love that I have that option for on the go. The main reason why I fell in love with this apartment was definitely the closet. Drum roll, please. Moment of silence for this closet, okay? Okay, you've waited long enough. This is my closet. Let me turn on the light. This is a whole room, guys. This is crazy. This is insane, okay? Best believe I'm gonna put a big ass mirror here so that I can be taking all my little mirror pics. And I'm just so obsessed. Like, I have so much space to put all my things, which is like so exciting. But this room is huge. Like, are you kidding me? I just want to say huge shout out to you guys for making all of this possible. I'm so blessed that I'm 24 years old and I get to experience life like this. Like, I'm just so blessed, and I really do appreciate everything. So, but yeah, this is the walk-in closet, and I cannot wait to just put all my things in here because I have so many clothes, so I'm really excited to get started. Best believe a huge closet organization video will be coming very soon. So yeah, that is the closet. This is the bedroom. I got the cutest bed. You guys are not ready for it. I cannot wait for you guys to see it, but I'm obviously gonna put it here. I'm gonna have my TV there. You guys will see once everything is done. But yeah, I'm gonna put my TV there. I might get a desk to put like underneath the TV. Not really sure yet, but yeah. Now I'm gonna show you guys the balcony. The moment you've all been waiting for. So this is my balcony. I'm super excited to get like those egg chairs. I love this view so much. I'm excited to watch the sunset, relax, unwind, drink some coffee in the morning, get some sun, you know, get some vitamin D for the soul. But yeah, I definitely want to get like a cute little egg chair to just like hang out here. I might get some grass to put here, make it a little more aesthetic. Who knows? Not really sure what I'm gonna do out here yet, but super cute. And I'm gonna show you guys my bathroom. So this is my bathroom. What's really cool about this bathroom is I get 2 sinks, one for washing the hands, one for washing my makeup brushes, you know, who knows what I really want to do with the other sink. But yeah, this is my bathroom, super cute. It's really spacious as well. I definitely want to put like a little shelf here to put all my toiletries, you know, the tampons, the summer's eve, whatever. I definitely want to do that. And then this is the shower that I'm literally obsessed with. Also, it's all like marble, and I love a good walk-in, stand-in shower because I'm a shower girl. I honestly don't really take baths. Like, I can't even tell you the last time I took a bath. I think the last time I took a bath was probably like 6 years ago. Not even being dramatic. So yeah, that is the end of my empty house tour. Definitely let me know if you guys want a full apartment tour once everything is furnished. My couch comes in like a week. So yeah, I'm just so excited for you guys to see the moving process. I will genuinely be documenting every single thing, especially my organization tips and tricks, because I don't know, I really love being organized and not having everything cluttered and stuff. So if you guys want to see that, definitely head over to my vlog channel. But I love you guys, I missed you guys, and I cannot wait for my journey. So, all right, love y'all, bye.